Alright, let's go.
Welcome back to another video. We have a sponsor, my little kitty cat, Silk.
You have a sponsor.
Do you have any words to say to the viewers? Say it to this camera.
Meow. Meow. Alright, show us what you got today.
We got this slime container. I can show you guys. See? It has slime.
Here, can you put my earbud on?
My earbud? Oh, that's cool.
Because that's where the mic is.
Oh, okay. Well,
I think you have to put it in the other ear. Will it stay?
No, it doesn't stay. It doesn't stay.
It doesn't stay?
Yeah, I know.
Well,
oh my
here.
gosh. So,
just talk a little louder so we can hear you. I'll leave it there in the background.
Okay. This is our slime thing. Hey, let Silk go.
I let Silk go. I just got her off the table.
And then you can see this is a slime container.
You don't
see?
have to scream.
And then this is the sides of it. You can get blue, pink, or any of these colors.
It's called Shake It Up Slime.
Yeah, it's called that. I'll open it up. Got it. Finally. Get your butt out of here. And now we have two slimes. It's a little piece of slime. One.
Yeah.
See what I'll show you. Let me put these down like that. This is a nice place. See, right here. And then there is somehow
some glitter
to put in here to make it look cool.
Okay.
Right now, we'll be opening this one. So, this is pink slime. Like I told you on the front, you can get any of these colors. I had to go get the scissors. Mom, where are the scissors?
I'm not sure.
Oh, no.
Hold on a second. Maybe I can just rip it open.
Yeah.
Let's see.
We'll try to.
Oh, yeah. It has a little perforated part on the top where you can just rip across.
Okay. Now I finally got it open without using the scissors. I ripped it open and my mom helped me.
Yeah.
Now we just rip it up. Okay.
Does it feel cool?
It feels like heaven. Oh my gosh.
Can you stick your whole hand in there and grab it?
Okay. I made it. Oh, very sticky and very clumpy. See, it's just this ball. If you do it in the middle, it won't stick to your hands. See?
Oh, cool.
See, it doesn't
Cool.
stick to my hands.
Awesome.
And if you like this, it won't stick to your hands.
Awesome.
Look
Well,
at it.
here, I'll take this extra one
You can
out.
stretch it. It's like Play-Doh, kind of. Now we will open glitter. Woo! So cool. See? Right here. So cool. Look, you can stretch it. This part didn't stretch very good. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh! And we'll put this in the box for right now.
Okay.
See down there.
Then we're going to open the glitter.
Yeah, we'll open the glitter.
Kind of do that with the bag. Try to get all the glitter to fall down to the bottom.
Okay, I try. It doesn't do that. No, it doesn't.
And don't put all the glitter in there. Here, let me pause it.
I'm sorry, we had
Okay, we finally got. Yep, we got it open.
And now my mom and
Or do you
me,
want to just pinch some out of there and throw on your?
I just would like this. People. Oh my gosh! Okay, just mix it in there. I need to make a little. I'm sorry it's not out in your view. I have to make it like this. Stretch it out just a little bit in the container.
Okay.
You have to make sure it's perfect. Then grab a little bit of glitter. Like this. Tiny bit, tiny bit, tiny bit, tiny bit. Just one little bit of you. Perfect. Now we put that right there. Now we just sprinkle it in the middle and all over the back and get a little bit more glitter. And sprinkle that over there. And then you just fold it in like that. This, just like this, see? Like a taco somehow. And then you just do this.
Work it together. You see any of the glitters coming out yet?
Yeah. Then you just get some of this.
it's starting to look neat. Maybe instead of rolling it in, you should have rolled it all outwards.
I did.
The first time.
I did.
Oh, you did?
And look at it. Look how sparkly it is.
Yeah,
Most of
it's
them
getting
are
sparkly.
in the inside. So if you open it up, you can see a lot of glitter too. Get that off my hands. And you can also hide a little surprise in here for your little brother and tell him to just take it out, put it in here, and see if he can get the surprise. There's more glitter in here if I get it.
More glitter you're getting out.
Yeah, I'm just gonna get it out of the container. Perfect. And just look how satisfying it is.
It's
If you guys want
fun.
to see,
Oh yeah, I see
it
some of the
smells like cotton
sparkles.
candy.
It smells like cotton candy?
Yeah, it does.
Really?
To me, it does.
Can you back up a little bit?
Oh, yeah.
Yep, that's good. Right there.
I put it on my hand.
Ah.
And it doesn't stick to your hand. It's kind of like Play-Doh, but it's slime, and it kind of like stretchy. Look. Mask. Mom, could you hold this above here and look like
I want to look at it. Oh, like you're holding it?
Yeah.
Put your hands closer together. Put your hands closer together. Wow!
Take the jet. Oh, got it.
It's pretty neat. So what do you think? Are you going to give Santa Claus an A+ for bringing you that for Christmas?
This is a 100 A+. And star.
And a star?
I'll see you guys in the next video.